Just wait. So in this next topic, we're going to talk about Tesla Giga Austin. And now it looks like they have reached a new record of production ramp to almost 4,000 units a week. So we'll talk about that. And as well as Elon might have walked the Cybertruck line to potentially maybe a Cybertruck is coming in the near future from Giga Austin or coming very, very soon. So we'll definitely take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, as I like to call it. But basically just getting the best deal on Tesla at the best financing rate. So definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. So let us take a look at this. Shout out to James Cat and also the Tesla Twitter for posting this. Nice. Great news out of Texas. They've now hit, congrats to the Giga Texas team. They've now hit 4,000 Model Ys this week, which is good, right? Because if there's a backlog of 50,000 Model Ys coming out for every customers out there waiting, then we need more production of Model Ys to make sure everyone gets delivery. So this is good because we just heard pretty recently that the Giga Berlin factory is up to 5,000 units per week. And now Giga Austin, Texas is 4,000 Model Y units per week. So you can see the breakdown here from James Cat on Twitter. So now we have Berlin at 5,000 and Austin at 4,000. Q2 production from Berlin, Austin, probably 115 to 120,000 units. At Fremont's 140K, Shanghai's 240K, possible 500,000 unit production quarter. So I mean that 500,000 one quarter times 4 quarter, that's 2 million Teslas being produced a year. So definitely pretty nice, right? And there's a lot of people waiting right now, and I think this is the year where we're gonna not see any sort of wait time at all for any sort of Tesla, maybe by the end of the year. So Tesla might have a demand after they fulfill all these different orders. Like, what is next? There's going to be more customers, of course, coming to the future, but they're going to have to do something to spike up demand. So definitely some pretty interesting stuff. And on top of that, it seems like Elon has walked the Cybertruck production line at Giga Texas. Quote from Elon Musk. You can see here is the tweet, or it was the tweet. It's gone now already. But to walk the whole Cybertruck production line at Giga Texas for several hours early today, going to be awesome because this is cool, right? I mean, this is quote, also feels like the future. I mean, this is cool, right? Because the Cybertruck is supposed to be coming out this year, and so I mean, I think they've the most recently they said summer, and we're starting to see a lot more of the Cybertruck spottings all over the place. So definitely some cool stuff. Of course, we put a poll on the channel, like when do you think the Cybertruck is coming out? And I overwhelming 34% said next year, but 7% said June, July of 2023. I mean, I would love to see a Cybertruck rolling out ASAP, and I would love to see them do 3,000, 5,000 units this year because we've got an order on the queue. So that'd be really, really nice. But congrats to Giga Austin for 4,000 units being produced. And I think this is mostly Model Y, right? So this is good because there is a huge backlog, according to Troy Teslike, in the amount of over 50,000 units for just the Tesla Model Y by itself. But we're going to jump into the final live stream comments. But before we do that, this video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link down in the description if you want to check it out and support the channel. Water break.